What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors. This is your boy, Daddy. So I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to be talking about this product that I bought. I've been waiting for about a month to get it in the mail. It's called Mochi. It's made by a company called Dasai, Dasai, D-A-S-A-I. I will put a link in the description down below if you guys are interested in it. I think it's a pretty cool product. I figured I would do my little review on it and show you what it's all about. So yeah. Alright guys, so here we are. This is the box that it came with. Obviously my address is taken off, but this is the box it came in. And I already opened the initial box, but it took me a month to get this, so I was pretty excited to get it. So basically what this is, this little guy, his name is Mochi, and he pretty much is just a driving companion, does facial expressions, and that's pretty much all he's supposed to do. And just a cute little guy, stays in your car. But yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so Mochi. I believe that's the name of the type of character it is. Not sure what this says, but I'm assuming it says Mochi, and maybe I could find a translation for this. If you guys want to translate for me, that'll be great. If not, then don't. Alright, let's see this. Oh, peanuts. My favorite snack. Delicious. So we got a helmet over here. Very nice, very shiny. And this is him. Or it, the thing. So I'm a little upset that it did not come with a case. I guess I'm gonna have to build something to make this work, because I'm not just gonna have this kind of just dangling around. That's how it looks. It's got a little glass protector, and this is like the motherboard portion of it. And yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely create a little tiny box to keep this little guy safe. But anyways, let's get him plugged up, turned on, and see what it looks like. So I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get shocked, but it's a good thing I'm wearing protection. Rubber gloves, so I guess it's safe to assume that I'm electric proof. So hopefully if I plug this in, I won't blow up. Careful. Oh, something happened. I got a light. Let's see. Hello. What if I press this button? So upon further inspection, it looked like one of these pins were not in properly. Actually, it looked like it was all backwards, judging from the pictures that I found online. So attempt number 2, moment of truth. Let's put this in. Ooh, light turned on. Oh, there he is. Dasai Mochi. Does it do anything? Hello, Mochi. Nope. Oh, maybe he's just waking up. I guess that's all he does. Oh. What do you mean? You gonna do anything else? No? You gonna go to sleep on me? Well, whatever. So I'm gonna unplug him, I'm gonna put his little helmet on, and we're gonna see how he looks like from there. Alright, so I got his little screen protector, or sorry, not screen protector, I got his little helmet on. I did leave the screen protector on for now, and I'm gonna start moving him, and we're gonna plug him back in and see what he looks like with his helmet on. Yeah. Looking pretty cool there. Can't wait to put this thing in my car. I'll probably take some video of little Mochi just hanging out in my car a little bit later. But for right now, let's see if we can make a little box for this. Alright guys, so I found this piece of wood that I'm going to utilize to cut a little box. I already kind of outlined it, kind of get a better gauge on what I'm trying to do. I also tried using a chisel, and that wasn't really working out. So I guess you guys are just going to watch me hack away at this. I have cool Dremel. Please, if you are underage, make sure you have parental supervision, or else you lose your fingers. Nobody wants to lose their fingers, because that'll be a bad time. You don't want to do that. I'm also not a professional woodworker, so if you guys do see me cut my finger, well, that's wonderful content for you guys. Good thing I'm wearing protection. I have these rubber gloves and some safety squints. So this is actually just a cutter tool. I figure it might work. If not, it'll probably just break off and, I don't know, slice me to pieces. Who knows? But I digress. Let's continue. So this is working out a lot better than I thought it would. So one side down, 3 more to go. Okay, that side might not work out so well. Well, I got this far. Alright, so I thought of a plan. Figured I sharpened up this screwdriver and made it into a makeshift chisel. And hopefully we can pop this off, at least in theory. I think it should work. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh, success. Oh, this is working out fabulously. Look at that. Ah, spoke too soon. Maybe we should just... Oh man, it's okay. It's okay. I could still fix this. I could still do this. You know what? It'll make my job a lot easier. I could just, you know, yeah, it'll still work. It'll still work. Oh, careful, I almost cut my finger there. You know, I should be using a vise, but yeah, I mean, if you guys want to watch me stab my hand, that's cool too. Alright, this is taking way too long. So I'm not really sure what kind of application this is used for, but it's being used for this now. Alright, that's not working neither. Let's try something else. Attempt number 3. Got this little sandpaper bit. I'm not sure why I didn't use this one in the first place. Alright, so after a lot of chiseling away with some magics of editing, I managed to get it to perfectly fit. Yeah, I know I broke this. Maybe I should have just dug a hole first and then, you know, cut out the sides, but it fits perfectly. And I'm gonna make a little cover for it. Now, I'm just going to cut the edges and give Mochi a nice little box. Damn, I really wish I could have showed you guys what I just did. I figured since the grains were this way, I could use a machete to just like kind of, you know, cut my time in half, and it actually worked. So yeah, let me just continue. Sweet. Look, I just cut my time in like half, guys. So let me continue making his little top. That'll be it. We'll glue them together and call it a day. Alright, so here's the final product. I had some wrap left over, so I just kind of covered up the box and I put some command strips on the bottom so I can, you know, kind of mount this box kind of hidden away so no one can see it. I'm probably going to end up putting a command strip right here so I can stick Mochi wherever I feel. I know I kind of scuffed him up a little bit over here. Very upset about that, but you know, it gives him a little character. You know, he's wearing a helmet, so he's probably putting it into good use, right? So without further ado, I shall show you what Mochi looks like installed.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say